चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स द्वारा आयोजित धनतेरस गाला 2025 मिसिसागा के इकॉन इवेंट स्पेस में बड़े ही धूमधाम से मनाया गया। इस भव्य कार्यक्रम में 700 से अधिक अतिथियों ने भाग लिया, जिसमें कनाडा भर के प्रतिष्ठित व्यवसायी, सरकारी प्रतिनिधि, राजनयिक और समुदाय के प्रमुख सदस्य शामिल थे। यह आयोजन सांस्कृतिक गौरव और सामाजिक दायित्व की भावना को समर्पित था और CHCC की राष्ट्रीय पहचान को और सशक्त बनाने की दिशा में एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम साबित हुआ। शाम की शुरुआत पारंपरिक गणेश वंदना से हुई, जिसके पश्चात विधि पूर्वक धनतेरस पूजन किया गया। CHCC के चेयर अभिषेक तंवर और को-चेयर गणेश परिडा ने अपने संगठन की एकजुटता और सामूहिक प्रयासों को रेखांकित किया। वहीं संयोजक नितिन राव और सह संयोजक निखिल सब्रवाल ने नवाचार और सहयोग की भावना पर प्रकाश डाला। अध्यक्ष कुशाग्र दत्त शर्मा ने CHCC की आगामी योजनाओं, विस्तारित चैप्टर नेटवर्क और विशेष रूप से 2026 में प्रस्तावित इंडिया ट्रेड मिशन की घोषणा की, जो भारत और कनाडा के बीच व्यापारिक साझेदारी को नया आयाम देगा। इसके अलावा कार्यक्रम का विशेष आकर्षण पुस्तक वितरण समारोह रहा, जिसमें व्यवसाय, सेवा और नेतृत्व में उल्लेखनीय योगदान देने वाले व्यक्तित्वों को सम्मानित किया गया। और क्या कुछ इस कार्यक्रम में हुआ, आइए आपको बताते हैं।
धनतेरस गाला by Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce. 2025 ਦਾ धनतेरस गाला is celebrated by the Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce. What is Dhanteras? Dhanteras is a Hindu festival and celebrated as the first day of 5-day Diwali festival. The Dhanteras name, Dhan means wealth and Teras means 13th day. So this is derived from the 13th day of lunar cycle. This Dhanteras festival is dedicated to prosperity and health and is considered as the auspicious time to make new purchases. So Dhanteras means wealth and Teras is the 13th day. So happy Dhanteras. So let's see the full report. Nareshi, if you can tell us about Dhanteras Gala, what Dhanteras is and which year is this? Third annual?
First of all, I want to thank you, Nitin Chopra ji, who always do wonderful job as a media. So this is the fourth Dhanteras Gala of Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce. And when I say fourth, every year we have a surrounding Dhanteras with a Dhanteras Gala. Hindu community from across Canada, they join together. The Dhanteras is a symbol of prosperity, health and wealth. So we make sure like every Canadian Hindu businessman, they are wealthy and healthy. So that's why we are celebrating 4th Dhanteras Gala.
So tell us about the chapter also, Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce.
Wonderful question you asked, and that's I want to share. So we have many chapters. As Canada is a 5,000 kilometer of our country, we have a chapter in British Columbia, BC chapter of CHCC. Same way we recently opened the Alberta chapter. We have Southwest Ontario chapter, starting from Tobermory to Niagara Falls, Milton to Windsor. Already GTA is there, and next year we are opening 3 new chapter. Prairie region chapter, so it's between the Manitoba and Saskatchewan. Second one is the Ottawa and Quebec chapter, and third one is the Atlantic Province chapter. So that's our goal. Chapter means like 51 life member. They have local account, local activities going on, and definitely national presence from chapter also.
So chapters are growing year by year. Yes. What are the aims? What are the goals of these chapters?
So as I mentioned, like Canada is a 5,000 kilometer area. So if I just do the Canada Hindu Chamber and I do activity in GTA area, it's not worth it. And many times we are not feasible for like travel across Canada. So local chapter, they do local activity, but definitely there is a participant and national activity too. So right now today, 52 family came from out of Ontario. So you think about like the way the Canada Hindu Chamber of Commerce is growing and the presence of Canadian businessmen.
Okay, thank you. Shivji, if you can tell us about yourself, your introduction.
Well, I'm Shiv Pandey. I'm part of CHCC, and if you can see this particular gala, the greatest achievement for this particular year. And if you really wanted to see what's the role of CHCC in Hindu community, indeed, it's playing a big role. See, if you look at the current scenarios where things are changing dramatically and people are actually trying to identify everybody by community, CHCC is growing to show the real representative of Hindus, the real power of business world, corporate world, all kind of people who achieve something in this particular country as Canadian, now showcasing themselves as Canadian Hindu, which is really an achievement. And the way CHCC is growing, it will be next trailer for Hindu community down the line when you talk about the advocacy with the mainstream politician. So CSCC will definitely going to play the main role. You will see a lot of players from CSCC members who will participate or who will play their contribution to the mainstream. Pretty soon. Thank you.
ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਹਿੰਦੂ ਚੈਂਬਰ ਆਫ ਕਾਮਰਸ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ 2025 ਦਾ ਧਨਤੇਰਸ ਗਾਲਾ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ मैं ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਰੇ आए हैगे हैं। मैं आप सभी को धनतेरस की बहुत बहुत बधाई देने जा रहा हूँ। हमको पता है कि धनतेरस के बाद में दिवाली आ रही है, तो मेरी शुभकामनाएं आप सभी के लिए कि ये दिवाली का जो पर्व है आने वाला समय है हम सभी के लिए खुशहाल हो और हमें जो मन की सारी इच्छाएं हैं वो भगवान राम और माँ लक्ष्मी से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि पूरी करें। एक बार फिर मैं हिंदू चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स को कैनेडियन हिंदू चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ इस आयोजन के लिए। ये काफ़ी पिछले सालों से काम कर रहे हैं, ये गाला हर साल करते आ रहे हैं पिछले 3-4 सालों से। और मेरी तरफ से ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ कंजर्वेटिव कॉकस एंड अवर लीडर पियर पॉलिएव मैं यहाँ पर आप सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई दे रहा हूँ। बहुत खुशी मिलती है जब हम भाईचारे में हम सारे लोग यहाँ पर इकट्ठे होके यहाँ पर बैठकर मिलकर अपनी जो है पर्वों को हर्षोल्लास के साथ मनाते हैं। इन्हीं सभी चीज़ों को एक बार फिर मैं कैनेडियन हिंदू चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ, ऑर्गेनाइजर्स का, वॉलंटियर्स का, सपोर्टर्स का और सारे स्पॉन्सर्स का। एंड थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी फॉर द इवेंट।
ਮੈਂਬਰ ਪਾਰਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਬ੍ਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਜ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਹਿੰਦੂ ਚੈਂਬਰ ਆਫ ਕਾਮਰਸ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ 4th ਐਨੂਅਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਗਾਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੌਕੇ ਕੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਹੋਏ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਅਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਕੱਠੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੀ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਦੇ ਆਰ ਗਿਵਿੰਗ ਦ ਪਲੈਟਫਾਰਮ ਆਈ ਰੀਅਲੀ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਸੇ ਕੰਗ੍ਰੈਚੁਲੇਸ਼ਨ to the team, hard-working team, and I just want to say keep up the good work. And our government is always there to support all SME. जैसे कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म जरा दे रहे हैगे आ बहुत ही चंगी गल हैगी आ। मेन गल ये तुसी एक जो प्लेटफॉर्म ते तुसी अपने जेरे विचार भी साझे करते हैगे हो। We know that we are going through challenging times, but ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੇ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਜਨਰੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਆ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਵਟਾਂਦਰਾ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਐਂਡ these solutions ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਅੱਛੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਸੋ we're always there to support. So thank you for including us.
Hello, I'm Michael Ma. I'm the Member of Parliament for Markham Unionville. I'm delighted to be here at this gala in celebrating all the achievements of all the members in the Business Association and what they have contributed to the Canadian society, not only in terms of culture, but in terms of business and opportunities in Canada, making us strong and making our multiculturalism live. And so I'm happy to be here, and I look forward to future events to celebrate more successes from the Hindu community. Thank you.
I just want to say thank you to the Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce for awarding me this award today. They do great work in the community, and I just want to say thank you very much.
Hi, this is Sharif Sabawi, MPP for Mississauga and Mills, and the PA for the Minister of Labour, Immigration, Training and Skills Development. I would like to congratulate the Hindu Canadian Chamber of Commerce for the successful gala dinner. As I mentioned in my speech, there is no better time now to shine and contribute to the economy than the Canadians from Diaspora. Building bridges, economical bridges to change what we have, the challenges with tariffs.
Hello, namaste. My name is Ronak Nagda. I am a board of director at Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce. As you can see here, we are having our annual Dhanteras Gala event for 2025. This is a huge event that we celebrate each year. This is our signature event where we recognize people from different fields of business, and we award them for everything that they have done in their careers, in their business, in their profession. As you can see, everything is so lively here. This is an amazing place to be, amazing networking opportunity. And the whole mission of CHCC is to bring everybody, all the Canadian Hindus together, all under one roof, and with the help of networking and connecting with each other. Thank you.
Hello friends, I'm Akhil Shah. I'm here at the Dhanteras CHCC Gala, and it's proud to be here that a lot of Indian community has come together for this annual gala event, and it feels good like we are at home. So thank you so much CHCC for inviting me.
Hi everyone, hello to everyone in Pyar Bhari Sat Sri Akal, Namaste to all the viewers. We're at the Hindu Chambers of Commerce today. The organization is doing an amazing job. बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं ये लोग. I think they've been around only for 4 years, and they're really reaching out to the South Asian community and bringing them together for a lot of festive events. And now the Dhanteras Gala is done really well. I have Dharmender Bhai with me.
Dhanteras Gala is their signature event, and that's one of the best in the tournament.
And we're at Icon Event Space. From last year, I can already see बहुत अच्छा arrangement किया है. They've really scaled up. One aspect, like as I mentioned, I love is that they really bring the South Asian community together and really enrich the Indian culture here in Canada. Thank you so much.
Namaskar everyone, my name is Dr. Rakesh Kantaria. I am the secretary of the CHCC. We do the grand event going on, more than 700 people, dignitaries from all around Canada, and everybody is enjoying. And on top of that, we do have 11 awardees who did an outstanding job in multiple different areas, and they are coming from Alberta, from BC, from all different kind of states, and some of the awardees from the US as well. The purpose of this organization is established before 5 years, and today we do have more than 450 live members and around 400 annual members. We are working as a big community. The goal of this community is to create a fabric for all the Hindu businesses, so that they can merge with all other people, and we could able to establish some strong fabric for the development of Canada. And that's just beginning. We keep on working. We start working on that directions, and more people are coming from all different parts of the world, and this organization become much more stronger. Above and beyond, this is the organization which called by the federal government for the budget session. So this is going to be very exciting evening. People are start coming up, enjoying their appetizer, and then we had awardees and whatnot. So we miss you. This is absolutely fantastic and incredible organization where you can be a part of that, and we could able to contribute towards your own success, community success, and the nation's success.
मेरा नाम नरेश चावड़ा, बोर्ड ऑफ ट्रस्टी, कनाडा हिंदू चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स. टुडे आज हमें 4th धनतेरस गाला है हमारा. तो ये this is in sequence like the 4th Dhanteras Gala for Hindu Chamber. 750 plus attendees from across Canada came to Toronto today, and we are awarding like 11 individuals who did very good work in their profession, their business or social activities. From age 14 to 82, they are recognized today. There are almost 20 plus political dignitaries attending. Dhanteras means is a prosperity, health and wealth. That's we are celebrating as a Canadian Hindu, and सबको धनतेरस की शुभकामना. और as a CHCC, we want to welcome you in a CHCC. Join the CHCC. We have a couple of chapters across Canada, and network is a net worth right now, and CHCC providing the platform to Canadian Hindu and community at large in Canada. Thank you.
Hi, this is Saurin Shah. I'm real estate agent here in Toronto. So this is annual gala of Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce, CHCC. Every year they have organized the Dhanteras Gala. Very nice event. So many business people are meeting here. So business class वाले लोग, entrepreneurs, service industry के, food industry के, बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे इकट्ठे होते हैं, networking करते हैं, और CHCC ये सबको help करता है कैसे आगे अपने धर्म को भी बढ़ाया जाए, organization को भी बढ़ाया जाए, और किस तरीके से अपनी community की भी help की जाए. CHCC is beautiful organization जो ना सिर्फ इंडियन रूट्स के साथ जुड़े हुए लोगों को आगे बढ़ाती है, लेकिन जहाँ से भी जो लोग इमिग्रेंट हुए यहाँ पे, वो सबको आगे लेके चलने का एक ट्राई करती है. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट.
Good afternoon, my name is Jeff Lal. I'm very proud and honored to be here today at Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce. Our organization which is rapidly growing with over 1,000 members, and we are still growing fast. And this organization is helping immigrants, they're helping the businesses, the associate between Canada and India They're filling the gap in between these two countries. The CCAC is an organization where the helping hands of all the people out there. An organization we are proud of. I would encourage everybody to become a member of CACC because this organization is very large and helping people. As we can see, the massive crowd out here, and we are proud and honored to be here today, a part of this organization.
Namaste, Raghu Bengaluru from Vyasa, Canada this side. Very happy to be at the Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce's flagship event, the Dhanteras Gala. I have been participating at the gala from the first edition. This is the fourth one, and we are seeing it grow from strength to strength. And the Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce has grown admirably, uniting entrepreneurs, Hindu entrepreneurs from across regions, especially across Canada, from coast to coast. And also there are numerous members, Pakistani Hindus, Sri Lankan Hindus, Bangladeshi Hindus, Guyanese, Fijian Hindus. So this is a great effort by the leadership team, and I wish Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce great success and great growth. There is a strong need of such an organization for Hindu ethos based businesses to come forward, to take responsibility and to assimilate with Canadian values and culture, and to help the very large Indian Hindu presence here in Canada establish and grow well.
Hi, I am Ganesh Parida from city of Puri, Odisha, and I am here living in Canada, and I am the Vice President for the Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce, and we are having a Dhanteras Gala today. Having a good night. Thank you. Bye.
Salutations to Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce and happy Dhanteras to all the members. As a part of the Consulate General of India in Toronto, I'm extremely proud to see the way Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce is expanding. Over the last 3 years, they have now reached a membership which is unheard of. They are from east to west of Canada and then opening new chapters and new branches every year. I'm particularly excited about their regular trade missions to India, which again there are a couple of them that have planned in next year. So I wish them all the best, and to all the members of Canadian Hindu Chamber, happy Dhanteras.
Namaskar, मैं जयेश ब्रह्मभट्ट, Canada Hindu Chamber of Commerce. This is Dhanteras Gala. Dhanteras, goddess of Lakshmi Ji. So let goddess of Lakshmi Ji shower upon her choicest blessings to all Canadians, and this is particularly to unite the Hindu community who are in business, entrepreneur on this common platform. So thank you Nitin ji and your team for bringing your media here at CSCC Gala, Dhanteras Gala 2025. Thank you, have a great time and happy Diwali to all across the world.
देखिए ये कैनेडियन हिंदू चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स का बहुत बढ़िया इवेंट है. आई थिंक इट्स वर्थ अटेंडिंग इट. आई थिंक इट्स वर्थ प्रमोटिंग इट, as well as I think it's worth working with it, because this is a very vital organization that works for not just Canadian Hindus but also for Canadian Hindu businesses.
I'm here. This is a Hindu Chamber of Commerce event. It's going great. It's a great networking, as you can see, lots of people here. And then if you go inside, there's more perks. Food is excellent and the people are great here. I'm talking to many of the people. Everybody is enjoying here. This is a great place to be. It's happy Dhanteras, happy Diwali.
Happy Dhanteras to all. This is one of the fantastic program as a Hindu community we are enjoying today. We see that a lot of business entrepreneurs, a lot of politicians, a lot of community advocates, and a lot of people who are expert in their respective fields. They have gathered here in this program. Fantastic, very premium program, and we like to be here. As a community, we are gathering and we are networking here. Wish you all a very happy Dhanteras.
ये हमारा धनतेरस का जो CSCC ने प्रोग्राम मनाया है यहाँ पे, ये वन ऑफ द CSCC का इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट है. हम लोग सारे हिंदू लोग यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, सारे जो बिजनेस से बिलोंग करते हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से जो बिलोंग करते हैं. ये इवेंट बहुत अच्छा है और लोगों को एक प्रेरणा मिलती है कि हम अपने त्योहारों में एक दूसरे से जुड़ें और साथ साथ अपने बिजनेस का प्रमोशन करें. Thank you.
Very nice to see you guys. This is an amazing event. This is the fourth or third annual Dhanteras Gala. It's pretty impressive to see the number of people that are here supporting, as well as every level of the government is represented here as well. I'm truly honored to be recognized as one of the Women of the Year tonight, and very thankful for this amazing community. It goes to show just how much the community is adding to each other's lives here and enriching each other and also pushing us forward in life. So thank you for being here tonight, and congratulations to all the winners.
हाँ जी, आज हम यहाँ पे जो कैनेडियन हिंदू चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स का जो इवेंट है, जो एक ये धनतेरस गाला है, आज हम यहाँ पे आए हैं और यहाँ पे देखिए कितना अच्छा माहौल है। पूरे कनाडा से यहाँ पे जो अपना सनातनी लोग इकट्ठा हुए हैं, अपने हिंदू भाई इकट्ठे हुए हैं, और हम एक स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कि भाई हिंदू लव्स एवरीवन। तो हम चाहते हैं कि भी आगे हम सब मिलके एक कम्युनिटी इवेंट जो हमारे वो इकट्ठे हो, और हमें एक सनातनी होने पे, एक प्राउड कैनेडियन हिंदू होने पे एक बड़ा गर्व है। और मैं जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स हैं उनको बहुत बहुत ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ कि इतना अच्छा इवेंट उन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया। थैंक यू सो मच।
हेलो, नमस्ते। माय नेम इज़ नैम ब्रह्मभट्ट, and today I'm here on this special Dhanteras Gala of Canadian Hindu Chamber of Commerce. I'm a live member, and it is a great to be here today. आज जो 600 लोगों से ज़्यादा the people came here, business community, Hindu business community are celebrating this in Dhanteras Gala. Dhanteras is something is very precious, and it's unique things happening today, and I congratulate the committee president and all on the special Dhanteras Gala. Thank you very much. Namaste and happy Diwali in advance.
क्या आप कनाडा एंड अमेरिका में हैं और आप अपना डेंटल ट्रीटमेंट भी करवाना चाहते हैं एंड यू आर आल्सो प्लानिंग अ ट्रिप टू इंडिया? सो वी हैव वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एंड द टॉप मोस्ट डेंटल क्लिनिक सिचुएटेड इन द हार्ट ऑफ चंडीगढ़ एंड मोहाली, जहां हम ये सारे प्रोसीजर्स पेनलेस तरीके से तो करते ही हैं, रादर वी ट्राई आवर बेस्ट कि शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम में भी खत्म हो जाए, जिसके लिए हम हाई एंड टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करते हैं, चाहे वो डेंटल इम्प्लांट्स हो, स्माइल मेकओवर हो या इनविजिबल ब्रेसेस हो। वी ट्राई आवर बेस्ट टू फिनिश योर केस इन द बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे।